Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open Ford Transit doors. To open the side door, first locate the exterior handle. Give it a firm pull to release the latch mechanism. Once unlatched, gently swing the door open. Ensure you have enough space around the vehicle before opening fully. This simple action allows easy access to the cargo area or passenger compartment. Now, let's look at the rear doors. These typically have an interior release lever. Push this lever to unlatch the door. You might need to do this for both doors if they are split. Once unlatched, open the doors wide to access the rear cargo space. Always be mindful of your surroundings when opening these larger doors, especially in tight spots. For security and convenience, you'll often use the key fob to unlock your Transit. A single press usually unlocks the driver's door, while a second press unlocks all remaining doors. Inside, you can use the manual lock button to secure or unlock doors. Always ensure all doors are properly latched and locked before driving to prevent accidental opening. If you encounter a door that's difficult to open, first check for any obstructions. Sometimes, cargo or debris can block the latch. Applying a small amount of lubricant to the hinges and latches can also improve operation. For persistent issues, or if you need more specific guidance, always consult your Ford Transit owner's manual for detailed instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.